Hello everyone, welcome back to Anonymous World. Hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be quite informative for cybersecurity enthusiasts and people aiming for a career in this field. In today's video, I am going to discuss about two entry-level cybersecurity certifications, that is EJPT and CH Practical. I recently qualified both the examination, and in this video I will share my own experience and give a detailed idea of both the exams. People often get confused between both the exam, so I will discuss the difference between both. Without any further delay, let's begin. So first I will talk about EJPT, which stands for Elon Security Junior Penetration Tester. It is a 100% practical certification about penetration testing and information security essentials. Passing this exam will surely help in getting a rewarding career. This exam is 100% practical and the exam voucher costs $200 and you get a free retake with it. That means if you are unable to clear the exam in first attempt, you have one free retake to give the exam within 14 days of period. The total exam duration is of 72 hours after starting the examination. It means you have complete 3 days to finish the exam. So how to prepare for the exam? You can easily prepare for this exam by completing the PTS course, which stands for Penetration Testing Student Course by INE, which is completely free. Course designed by INE contains multiple slides, videos and good hands-on labs for practice. I will give the link to INE website in the description. You can check there. You just need to create an account and you can have access to INE PTS course. The course is standard enough to pass this examination. You can also practice some basic rooms in TryHackMe and Hack the Box. Now let's discuss the details of this examination. Basically, the complete exam is practical and you need to do a pentester network. For starting the exam, you need to go to dashboard and begin the certification process and download your engagement letter. You must read the engagement letter carefully because it contains details about the exam, your goals and the materials which you will need in exam, and connect to the VPN network. Now talking about the questions, exam consists of total 20 questions. All are of MCQ types and you need to give minimum of 15 correct answers in order to pass the exam and get certified. You need to give the answers by pen testing the network. You have 72 hours to complete the exam. The exam will be unproctored and it is an open book exam. You can use Google or any other thing, your book, your notes. Now my own experience of passing this examination. I got certified for EJPT in May 2021. It took me around 4 hours to complete the exam. I would like to suggest that for passing this exam, you must complete the INE course. It contains all the exam details. The INE course is more than enough to clear this exam. You must have in-depth knowledge of basic tools and techniques required and must get hands-on labs. You must complete all the labs given in the INE course. The time frame provided, it's enough to crack this exam. Just carefully read and attempt the questions. Maintain your calm and focus and just don't rush into things and make yourself fall in rabbit holes. Now let's talk about CH Practical. Now let's dive and discuss about the certified ethical hacker, and it is arguably the one of the best known of all the available EC Council certifications. You must know it is globally recognized and one of the oldest certifications. I recently passed and got certified for the CH Practical exam. Talking about the cost of this exam, I got the exam voucher for $149 in EC Council's cyber awareness sale. Otherwise you will have to pay around $500 to $550 for this exam. Duration. Now talking about duration and exam pattern. CH Practical is a 6-hour examination. It consists of total 20 questions of MCQs and fill in the type. And in order to qualify and get certified, you need to score about 70% of marks. That is, you need to give correct answers of around 14 to 15 questions. Now, how to prepare for this particular exam? Talking about the preparation, you can refer and avail multiple resources from Google and YouTube related to this exam. There is a full playlist about iLabs. You can refer to that, and that playlist is more than enough for this exam. I will give the link to that playlist in my description. You can also engage with people who have qualified this exam earlier and learn from their experience. Talking about my preparation, I prepared from Betten Tech course related, which is related to CH exam, EJPT exam, and any others. I am not promoting any channel or any course here. It's up to you. You can have your own references. Even there is no need to purchase any course. It's just up to you. Now about this exam. The first of all, exam is totally proctored. You need to take care of camera, microphone, and must have an access to stable high speed internet connection. Yes, it is very important to have a high connection internet for CH, because the Parrot OS provided by CH is a bit laggy and slow. The exam is completely based on iLab environment. You will be provided with two machines, Windows Server 2016 and one Parrot OS. The exam tests your basic knowledge and is easy to crack. Questions are mostly asked on steganography, cryptography, network scanning, hash cracking, password brute forcing. You must have free hands on some of the tools like Nmap, Boobuster, Hydra, SQL Map, John the Ripper, VeraCrypt, StegHide. Now talking about difference between both these certifications, that is EJPT and CH. EJPT has lifelong validity of for certification, and on the other hand CH is valid up to 3 years. You need to give a re-exam to extend its duration for more 3 years. Official learning material for EJPT is free, otherwise you need to pay for the official training for CH. EJPT provides more depth knowledge and practical experience, whereas CH is a pretty unrealistic examination. At last, in my opinion, I would suggest if you want a professional certificate and gain much knowledge, then go for EJPT. If you just want a certificate, then you can go for CH practical. It's up to you. But if you want a good knowledge and a pretty good experience, then you must go for EJPT. It will definitely boost your confidence. I hope my review will provide an outlook of the subject. I am attaching some important resources and articles related to topic in the description. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Meet you soon in next video with another topic. Till then, keep learning.